Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to solve a question that is sort colors. We have been given an array nums with n objects colored red, white, blue. You may also call them as 0, 1 and 2. We have to sort them according to it. For example, all the zeros should be at the left. In the mid there will be should only ones, and at the right there should only be twos. So we have to sort according to it. And also here it is written that you must solve this question without the sort functions. Here it is written, but let's use the sort function and let's try that whether it is accepting the solution or not. Let's try. Yeah, it has been accepted, but you must not use this sort functions because it will be a one line solution, and the interval also will not happy with this solution. So we have to move to a optimal solutions. Now if we are using the sort function, that will take n logarithmic n time complexity, and it is not the most optimal solution. So moving to the optimal solution, there is an algorithm called as DNF algorithm, stands for Dutch National Flag algorithm. It is one of the sorting algorithm which is used to sort arrays efficiently, which includes only three distinct elements, that is 0, 1's and 2. You know that after sorting the array, we know that all the zeros will be in the extreme left, isn't it? And all the ones will be at the mid, and 2's will be at the extreme right. So to solve this problem, what we're gonna do, we will use three pointer method. We'll create three variable, that is low, mid and high. And low and mid will be start from 0. We will place both of them at 0 and high at n-1, that is the last. And the pseudocode will look like, we will be checking if the number is 0. If it is 0, we will swap low and mid and increment both of it. If the number is 1, we'll only increment mid. No swapping will be happen in this step. And in the last, if the number is 2, we will be swap mid and high and decrement high. So this is one of the algorithm you have to remember these steps. So let's do a dry run to get a clear understanding of the problem. So here the input is 2021110. So as I have said earlier that we will be using three pointer, that is low, mid and high. So low and mid will be at 0 and high will be at the end, that is n-1, and we will be checking mid values. So starting from here, the value is 2, so there will be swapping between mid and high will get decrement. So let's swap both of them. So 2 will become 0 and that 0 will be become 2 and high will get decrement. So high will come here, one step decremented. Now the mid is 0. So we have saw in the pseudocode that if 0, there will be swapping between low and mid, and both will be get increment. So as low and mid are standing at the same place, so there will be swapping of both of them. It will be 0 only, and both will be getting increment. So both low and mid will increment. Now again the same thing will happen, because same it is 0 only. Same, they will get swap and they will increment low and mid. Now the mid value is 2, so there will be swapping between mid and high will get decrement. So here high is 1 and mid is 2, so both will get swap. So 2 will become 1 and 1 will become 2 and high will get decrement. Now the mid value is 1. So in 1 we have saw that there will be only increment of mid, no swapping will done if the number is 1. Now the mid will Now mid and high are standing at the same place, and we have already mentioned in the while loop that if mid is less than equal to high, till the time both will get executed. Otherwise, they will get out of the loop. So after that, once the mid will cross each other, the loop will get exited, and hence we will got our final answer. So our final answer is 001122. So let's do the coding part.
So we start with creating three variables, low, mid, and high. Low and mid will be at 0, and high will be at n minus 1, that is num size minus 1. And we'll write a while loop. While the time mid is less than equal to high, if nums of mid is equal to 0, then swap nums of low, nums of mid, and we will be incrementing both of them. Right? Then another loop for checking the number 1. If it is 1, then there will only incrementing of mid. Otherwise, otherwise definitely the number will be 2. So we will can swap mid and high. Terms of mid, terms of high, and will increment high. Yeah. Let's run. Yeah, it has been accepted. Yeah, the solution has been accepted. So coming to the time and space complexity, so there is a single while loop. So the time complexity will be big of n and the space will be big of 1, and we are not using an extra space. So hence it will be most optimal solution. Thank you.